So you are composing a new email in your Outlook and you're facing your font too small to read. Here's how you can easily fix this error. So as you can see, currently I'm on my Outlook and trying to compose a new email, but here as you can see my text size are too small, so I can't see my text exactly. Now if I select any text or word, and then if I click on this text size, and from here if I increase the font size, also as you can see the text are so small. Now I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem. To do that, first of all you have to click on text format or format text, and here just click on this zoom icon, and here if you see this percent selected to 10% or any other value, then you have to select here 100% and then just click on OK, and then your text will be default size. Now you can select your all text and just click on this text size drop down and select default text size, and now you'll be able to see all of your text very easily. And now I'm going to my inbox section and going to opening a mail, and you can't see your email exactly because of your email text are too small. All you have to need to do the same thing, click on zoom, select 100%, click on OK, and you'll be able to see the email. So this is how we can fix font too small to read in Outlook while composing email problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.